Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up Logrotate for Nginx logs on VPS, beginner guide step by step clearly. To set up Logrotate for Nginx logs on your VPS, begin by accessing your server via SSH. Use your terminal or command prompt for this step. Log in with your SSH credentials. Once logged in, locate the Nginx log directory. Typically, it is found at /var/log/nginx/. Next, confirm the log files you want to manage with Logrotate. Common log files include access.log and error.log. Now, create a new Logrotate configuration file for Nginx. You can do this using your preferred text editor. For instance, type sudo nano /etc/logrotate.d/nginx. In the editor, start by specifying the location of your log files. Add this line, /var/log/nginx/star.log. Next, define how often you want to rotate the logs. You can rotate daily, weekly, or monthly. For instance, to rotate daily, you would add daily. Now, set the number of rotations you'd like to keep. For example, to keep the last 4 rotations, add rotate 4. It's important to compress old logs to save space. Add the line compress to enable compression. Next, ensure logs are created after rotation. To do this, add the line create 0640 www data ADM. You may want to force the rotation to happen even if the logs are not large enough. For this, include the line missing doc. To prevent errors when the logs are missing, add note if empty. After adding these configurations, your file should look similar to this, /var/log/nginx/star.log, daily rotate 4 compress create 0640 www data ADM missing doc note if empty, save and exit the text editor. You can do this in Nano by pressing Ctrl+X, then Y, followed by Enter. Now, test your Logrotate configuration. You can do this with the command sudo logrotate d/etc/logrotate.conf. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.